Do you want to learn how to lend money to the Nigerian government and get paid interest monthly or quarterly without stress? Let me show you how, step by step. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Here we'll talk about how you can make money, manage money, budget your money, and multiply your money the smart way. Now today's video is all about the federal government of Nigeria's saving bonds, what it is, how it works, and how you can start earning passive income from it. So sit back and relax. What is FGN Saving Bond? Now imagine a safe place to keep your money, and in return, that place pays you a small amount every 3 months. After 2 or 3 years, you get your full money back plus all the interest you've earned. That is what exactly the FGN Saving Bond is. You're lending your money to the Nigerian government. The funds are used to execute projects, and in return, investors are paid quarterly with interest. Now the investment window opens 4 to 5 working days every month, and they pay you your interest quarterly. Who can invest? Literally anybody can invest. Student, corporate organization, working professionals, business owners, teenagers, even your parent. Now all you need is a minimum of 5,000 naira, and you can top up in multiples of 1,000 naira. So 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 naira, all fine. Why invest? Number one reason why you should invest with the FGN Saving Bond is that it is safe. Now, this investment is backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government of Nigeria. Hence, investors have the government guarantee to pay investors quarterly, that is every 3 months. Number two, it's a passive income. So interest is paid to investors quarterly every 3 months, and it can also be used as collateral. Now, this investment can be used as collateral. If you want to get a loan from the bank, you can use this particular investment as a collateral. And lastly, it is very much transparent. Now, the terms and returns on the investment rather, are clearly stated. They are clearly stated on the monthly offer document. Let me show you what a document looks like. So before you invest with the FGN Saving Bond, you need a few things. Number one, you need a CSCS number, you need a CHN number, you need a licensed stockbroker, your money to invest, and awareness of the bond open period. Now, don't let these big names confuse you. Now, your CHN number is like your clearinghouse number. It's like your student ID, NI, whatever it is, but for Nigerian investment, it identifies you in the system. Now, your CSCS number is what we call the Central Securities Clearing System, and it's like a locker or safe where your investment are stored securely. To get these two things, you need a licensed stockbroker. Now, they act like middlemen between you and the government. So in this video I released 5 days ago on my YouTube channel on must-have accounts you must have it as a Nigerian, I mentioned that one of the accounts you should have is a brokerage or an investment account. Now, but I'll quickly summarize for the purpose of this video. Now, your stockbroker will help you open an investment account, create your CSCS and CHN numbers, and buy your FGN bond. And you can find one by visiting the Nigerian Exchange website, or pick from trusted brokers like Meristem, Stanbic IBTC, Cardinal Stone, and Afrivest. Personally, I would say any of this is fine, but I use Afrivest or Stanbic IBTC. To register, your broker will ask you for your full name, your BVN, your passport photo, your ID card, could be your NIN or your international passport, and then lastly, your email and phone number. After providing this, you would get your CSCS and CHN numbers within 24 to 48 hours. How much can you earn? Now, the interest rate depends on how long you invest for. Say, for example, you invest for 2 years, you're getting 16.173% per annum. For 3 years, you have 17.173% per annum. Now, let's break that down using your 5,000 naira. So when you invest 5,000 naira for 2 years, you're getting a total of 808 naira total interest in a year, and that means you get 202 naira every 3 months. So if you invest 100,000 naira, you would earn 16,000 173 naira per year, and that's around 4,043 naira every 3 months. What if I want monthly income? Now here's a smart trick. Now if you invest once, your interest is paid every 3 months, but if you invest monthly, your interest payout becomes monthly too. Now for example, if you invest in May, you're paid in August. If you invest in June, you're paid in September. And if you invest in July, you're paid in October. That way you receive steady income every month from each past investment as it matures. So if you're investing 1 million naira per month, your expected monthly interest is about 40,000 naira. I know you're probably asking when the FGN Saving Bond opens for the month of July. Now, like I established earlier, it is open for only 5 days each month, and it's typically in the first week. Now in May we did 5th to May 9th. In June we did June 6th to 11th. So for that of July, it's proposed for July 7th to 11th. So you have to be on the lookout for when it opens. What do? Contact your broker. If you're new, let them create your CSC and CHN, fill out your bond subscription form, choose how long, provide your bank details, transfer your investment to the account they give you, get a confirmation message, then relax. In 3 months, your first interest payment lands in your account. And that is it. You don't need millions or complicated finance skills to get started with investing, and I shared that with you in the video before this, which I'll be dropping in the comment section, how you can start investing without fear. Now just a little knowledge, 5,000 naira and access to a broker, and you can start building passive income safely with the Nigerian government. If you have questions, drop them in the comment. If you have anything at all, my WhatsApp link is there. It's going to direct you to my inbox, so I'll be happy to answer you. So thank you, happy investing, and see you in the next video. And do not forget to invest today. Bye.